Hey everyone, it's Life Reset here. You ever find yourself endlessly scrolling through your phone, bombarded by negativity and bad news? That, my friends, is the abyss of doomscrolling. It can leave us feeling anxious, overwhelmed, and frankly, a little bit hopeless. But here's the good news, there's a way out. This video is your guide to breaking free from the clutches of doomscrolling and embarking on a journey toward a healthier, more mindful relationship with technology. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, we need a plan of attack. What do you hope to achieve with this digital detox? Do you want to reduce your overall screen time, limit your exposure to negative news, or maybe just feel a little less tethered to your phone? Identifying these negative feelings can be a powerful motivator for change. Once you're clear about the why behind your desire to detox, you can start setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Don't try to overhaul your entire digital life overnight. Start with one small, achievable goal, like reducing your social media use by 30 minutes each day. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Okay, time to bring in the big guns, setting those screen time limits. Luckily, our phones are actually equipped with built-in tools that can help us out here. You can set daily limits for specific apps like social media or news apps, or even schedule downtime where only certain apps are accessible. There are tons of third-party apps out there designed specifically for managing screen time and keeping those digital distractions at bay. The key here is to be realistic with your limits. It's about finding a balance that works for you and allows you to enjoy the benefits of technology without letting it consume your life. They're about creating space for the things that truly matter, connecting with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and simply being present in the real world. Let's be real. Our online spaces can be just as impactful as our physical environments. If you're constantly bombarded with negativity, drama, or just plain noise, it's going to take a toll. Unfollow or mute accounts that consistently leave you feeling drained or negative. Instead of doom scrolling through endless negativity, seek out accounts that inspire you, make you laugh, or teach you something new. It's amazing how much lighter and brighter your digital experience can be when you're intentional about the content you consume. Create no-screen zones. Just like we have designated spaces for sleeping, eating, and working, it's important to establish no-screen zones in our homes. Think of these as sanctuaries for disconnecting, recharging, and re-engaging with the physical world. The bedroom is a great place to start. Try banishing phones and other devices from your sleep sanctuary. The dining table is another prime candidate for a no-screen zone. Make meal times a time for connection and conversation, free from the distractions of phones and tablets. It's about creating intentional boundaries to foster presence, connection, and mindfulness in our daily lives. Practice mindful consumption. Before you click on that next article, watch that video, or scroll through that social media feed, take a moment to pause and ask yourself, what am I hoping to gain from this? Is this content adding value to my life? Let's choose to spend it wisely. If you're feeling overwhelmed by negativity, make a conscious effort to seek out positive or neutral content to counterbalance it. Set specific time blocks for news consumption. Instead of constantly refreshing for the latest updates, try setting aside specific time blocks each day for catching up on current events. Maybe you dedicate 30 minutes in the morning and evening to reading news from reliable sources. This way, you can stay informed without letting the news consume your entire day. By setting aside dedicated time for news consumption, you can stay informed without letting it dominate your thoughts and emotions throughout the day. Alright, it's time to rediscover the joys of life beyond the screen. Remember all those hobbies and activities you used to love? It's time to dust them off and rediscover the magic of offline living. Lose yourself in a good book, lace up your sneakers and go for a run, or unleash your inner chef with a new recipe. Engaging in offline activities isn't just about taking a break from technology, it's about nurturing our passions, connecting with our creativity, and engaging with the world around us in a meaningful way. Now I know what you're thinking, wait, we can actually use technology too with our digital detox? And the answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. There are tons of amazing apps out there designed to promote mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation. These apps can provide guided meditations, breathing exercises, and calming soundscapes to help quiet the digital noise and find moments of peace throughout the day. Try enabling grayscale mode, turning off non-essential notifications, or even deleting those tempting apps altogether. Let's use it as a tool for self-improvement, connection, and well-being. Breaking free from the clutches of doom-scrolling can be a challenging journey, but we don't have to do it alone. One of the most powerful things we can do is share our goals with friends, family members, or even online communities. Talk to your friends and family about your digital detox goals. Let them know you're trying to be more mindful of your technology use, and ask for their support in holding you accountable. Let's support each other on our journeys to digital well-being. And finally, let's talk about the importance of being kind to ourselves throughout this process. Breaking free from doom scrolling and establishing healthier digital habits takes time and effort. There will be days when you slip up, when the allure of the endless scroll is just too strong to resist. And that's okay. Instead, acknowledge the slip-up, extend yourself some grace, and recommit to your goals. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Remember, progress over perfection. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting clear intentions and establishing screen time limits to curating our digital environments and seeking support from others. It's about reclaiming our time, our attention, and our mental well-being. It's about disconnecting from the digital noise to reconnect with the things that truly matter, our passions, our relationships, and the world around us. Choose one strategy that resonates with you and commit to implementing it in your life. Thanks for joining me on this journey to digital well-being. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and keep those screens in check. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.